All right, this is a Flagstaff 620 ST. It's a 2010 model. Obviously has the fiberglass top. All of the screens and the tires, the fiberglass, the rims, everything is in fantastic condition. It was just winterized here, but I'll do a walk around here so you get a better look at it, get an idea what it's like. Two good sized beds. Obviously has the propane tank, has an electric winch so you're not having to hand crank up your camper. So when you get to the site, you can just hit the button and it raises it up, and hit the button and pull it back down again. It does have a small awning on there. Of course, these ones don't have, you know, really something that's retractable like power, like a motorhome would, but they do extend out. And of course, what you can do here is you can put your table, which is inside, you can hook it onto there, and of course in behind there is your attachment for your propane. Outside speakers, electrical. Took the door off so you could see better in here when we go inside. So when you walk inside, fire extinguisher, and obviously old school CD player. The light switch is here to turn your lights on. You've got the furnace, the fridge, 3-burner stove, the sink. Both mattresses are heated. We don't have the cords for them, but they both have the added foam on it. And the good thing about this model here is all you have to do is use this arm to push back the support there and then hook it up into the ceiling and you're done. Nothing else, that's it. Lights, smoke detector. The actual door is up top. We'll take a look at the smaller bed. Still a decent size. You know, realistically, it's just a single. And then what we have is the dinette area here. So room for, you know, 4 kind of squeeze in there. And underneath the right one is your water pump. Take a look back here. And then for those of you wondering, yes, there is a porta potty underneath this particular couch, chair, if you want to call it that. And porta potties right underneath there. And it's the cartridge type. And you got a small cabinet with some drawers. And for the bathroom, you can have your curtain hanging up there. And then we'll come back down here and take a look. You do have knives and forks and kind of just a general area underneath the sink. And then the fridge, all of the stuff's been taken out and in storage, but there it is. And this is a good one because it has a 3-way fridge on it. And the storage that you can see in the pictures is at the front underneath the bed there. So what you wind up having is the hot water tank there, storage here, and then around the corner as well. And then you've got storage here. So overall, lots of room in here. You know, you can comfortably sleep 3 people, 4 people obviously too. And I don't know, if you got really creative, maybe you can even get 5 in here. So there you go. 2010 Forest River 620 ST. Everything's in great shape. It's the classic series. Tires are great on it. Good spare tire. And it's ready to go. And we'll have a picture of this also so you can take a look at it. So you know the weights. It's around 2,000 pounds.